So yeah, we've got the 24-hour marinade, the 48-hour, and this is the 72 hours. I've got to say, there's no real difference in look. Ooh, look at that. Right, I've got to say, it's absolutely looking beautiful. So, I'm gonna taste this. It's a 24-hour one. It's nice. I mean, it's got a bit of salt in it. It's beautiful, moist inside. I mean, it's really like normally how I have it. So, 48 hours. Let's have a look. That's actually really lovely. It just I feel like it's a little more salt right through the meat. You get like it's definitely more flavorful, for sure. Okay, 72 hours. Wow. I personally think out of this batch, the 72 hour is better.
After having a whole bowl of the 72 hours though, it does become a bit salty. So I think if you're just having a few pieces of a couple of beers, all good. But if you're like me and eat whole bowls at a time, I would probably go with the 48 hour for sure.
I gotta say, I absolutely think that the 72 hour one is the better one. The 48 is really good, and the 24 is really good. They're all really good. But after doing this, I think I'm definitely gonna marinate at least 48 hours from now on. You can definitely there's a big step up from 24 to 48 hours. That flavor getting straight through the meat, it's obviously soaked right in there.